on this YouTube channel. I'm going to show a bike check of my GT Slammer. So let's start it. I got these here ODI, I think they're magnets, is that what you said? Yes, not stock, it's ODI. This, going on to this brake, I got a Sims brake, came off my old Sims bike, and my bike's stuff off. And what's supposed to next? Oh, seat. Seat is a stock GT seat. And we're going all over the place. And the pedals, they're GT pedals, but they're not stock. But then, you know where. We're going to go next. The tires are stock GT tires. I'm pretty sure they're like airbag tires or something like that. This is on the tire somewhere. The side. Yeah, right there. It's upside down there now. And the stem is stock. Everything stock. And this here thing got a gyro on it. You can see it on this side. It comes right too. And the forks are stock.
He kind of bent them when he struck a rock.
Yeah, I hit a rock like that one.
Right.
And there's duct tape. That's some of the electrical tape. Them pegs are like a lot of cash on or something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah, and the middle of them back, flipped over. Yeah. Oh yeah, and the sprocket. Sprocket is a GT sprocket. Stock GT sprocket. Don't forget the, what do you call it, cranks.
Cranks, just stock GT cranks.
Yep, and the chain is stock. And the rims is stock.
Headset, and bottom brackets, all stock.
Yeah, and these wobbly handlebars. And yeah, let's get to the stickers. There's my band sticker. That makes me land every single trip I do.
Yep.
This sticker right there is one that came with pegs. That's the one that helps me grilling. That right there, that don't do nothing. That just adds on weight.
No, just makes you go faster.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. So yeah, that should be it for now. I think I covered everything. I think so.
And that's the end of this video.
The bolts.
Okay, no, we intro. That's the end of this video. See you in the next one.